Have you ever felt overwhelmed by project timelines? Gantt charts can simplify your planning. Today, we'll explore how to create Gantt charts in MS Excel. Gantt charts visualize tasks and their timelines in projects. They help teams see task durations and dependencies clearly. Let's discover how to make one from scratch in Excel. Firstly, open Excel and set up your data. Start a new sheet. In the first column, list all tasks. In the next column, enter start dates. Then, add task durations in the third column. Now, highlight your data. Click Insert on the ribbon. Choose Bar Chart and select Stacked Bar. This will create a chart, but we have more adjustments to make. Next, let's format your chart. Right-click on the left bars and choose Format Data Series. Make these represent the start dates by setting them transparent. Now, your actual tasks will appear correctly. After adjusting, label your chart. Click on Chart Title and rename it to your project name. Also, modify the axes to reflect your tasks and dates accurately. To improve clarity, change bar colors. Click each bar. Right-click to choose Format Data Point for custom colors. This makes your chart visually appealing and easier to read. For even better insights, add milestones. You can include these as tasks with a duration of 0 days. They will stand out on the chart. Now, let's see an example. Suppose you're launching a marketing campaign. List tasks like research, content creation, and launch. Enter start dates and durations. Your Gantt chart will show the entire process at a glance. In summary, you've learned how to create a Gantt chart. Start with tasks, add dates, format the bars, and label everything. Gantt charts enhance project visibility and tracking efficiency. Ready to master your projects? Start creating your Gantt chart today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips.